Good morning, students. Today we are doing the poetry The Labyrinth Top by Ted Hughes. The poem starts with a description of the labyrinth tree whose top was still and silent. Its leaves had turned yellow and sheets had fallen down. It was the daytime in the month of September when the tree was standing still and deathlike. The lifeless tree became alive by the arrival of the goldfinch bird. She came to feed her younger ones who are on the thickness of the branch. The tree is her shelter. She arrives at the end of the branch with a creeping sound. She further moves to the other side of the branch with a rapid and vigorously movement like a lizard. As soon as she arrives, her young ones start creeping like a machine and vibrating and flapping their wings. The death-like tree becomes alive and it trembles and shakes. After fetching them, she flies to the other side of the branch. Her dark-colored face with a yellow body was barely visible and she vanished behind these yellow leaves. She flew away in the sky, leaving the tree death-like again. This was the gist that was there in this poetry. Now I am telling you the explanation. Labyrinth means a short tree with a hanging branches, yellow flower and a poisonous seeds. I am explaining you the first stanza, the labyrinth top till fallen. In the above lines, the poet says that he saw a labyrinth tree whose leaves were yellow. The tree's top is still and silent in the daytime of September month. It is the autumn season and all the sheaves of the trees had fallen. The poet has used the word yellow for leaves and sunlight. Yellow symbolizes silence, death and beauty. He described the whole scene of the tree with this color. Now, the second stanza, till the goldfinch till thrills. Goldfinch is a small singing bird with the yellow feathers on its wings. Twitching means sudden jerk movement. Chirrup means a bird making repeated high-pitched sounds. Stelment means feeling or showing sudden shock. Again I am repeating. Startlement means feeling or showing sudden shock. Abrupt means rapid. Chittering means to make a chatting sounds. Terror of wings means involuntary vibrations of the wings. Trilling means to produce a creeping sound. Trembles means to shake. Thrills means a sudden feeling of excitement. A goldfinch bird comes to the death-like scene of the tree and makes a sudden creep sound. The bird, while being rapid, alert, and precocious like a lizard, sit on the branches of the trees. As she moved toward the thickness of the branch, her younger one started creeping and doing vibration with wings, making a sound like a machine. Because of the movement of the birds and young ones, the trees start to shake and thrill. The poet has given two opposite scenarios of the tree. The tree first being death-like and still and then giving life and shelter to the birds and the young ones. Now, the last one, third one, it is the engine till mask. It is the engine till mask. Flirts out means lead on to. Stoke means to add fuel to the engine. Barrett means stripy. The labyrinth tree and the goldfinch bird is the engine of her family. She provides food to her young one and moves to the other branch end. A dark colored striped face is visible as her body is yellow colored and hides behind the yellow leaves of the tree. Now the last stanza, then with till empty. Then with till empty. Era means strange. Whistle means gentle whisper like the creeping of the words. Subside means diminishes. Subside means diminishes. After reaching the end of the branch, the bird makes a sweet creeping sound just like whispering and flies away toward the infinite sky. It again makes the labyrinth tree silent and death-like. Now, what are the poetical devices in this poem? Alliterations. Alliteration means repetitions of the constant sound at the beginning of two or more consecutive words. The instance of alliteration in this poem are as follows: September and sunlight. September and sunlight. SS. Smile, simile, comparison between two things using like sleek as a lizard, metaphor, an indirect comparison between two things. Generally, quietly is compared. She enters the thickness and machine starts up. The noise created by the movement of the bird is compared to the machine noise. Personifications, the attribution of personal nature characteristics to something non-human. The whole tree trembles and thrills. Transferred epithet, the figure of speech where the adverb is transferred to another noun. A barred face, identify, mask. Thank you, students. Hope you all have understood.